When it comes to capturing every moment on the road, WolfBox dash cams are known for their sharp video quality, advanced safety features, and reliable performance. Whether you're commuting daily or heading out on long trips, these devices provide peace of mind and valuable evidence when you need it most. Here are the top 4 WolfBox dash cams to consider in 2026. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 4. WolfBox X5 Duo Dashcam. Designed for drivers who want dependable recording quality without sacrificing convenience, the WolfBox X5 Duo Dashcam combines advanced imaging technology with smart features that make every journey safer and easier to document. Whether commuting through busy city streets, heading out on long road trips, or simply wanting extra protection while your vehicle is parked, this dual-channel dash camera captures important moments with impressive clarity while providing a modern user experience. One of the most impressive aspects of the X5 Duo is its dual-camera recording capability. The front camera records in stunning 4K resolution, while the rear camera captures detailed 2.5K footage, allowing both directions around the vehicle to be monitored at the same time. The high-resolution recording helps preserve critical details, such as license plates, road signs, traffic signals, and surrounding vehicles, providing valuable evidence if an unexpected incident occurs. The dual-camera setup also improves overall driving awareness by documenting activity behind the vehicle as well as ahead. To maintain consistently clear recordings, the dashcam incorporates advanced anti-shake technology that helps stabilize video during movement. Whether driving across uneven roads, speed bumps, or rough terrain, the stabilization system minimizes unwanted vibrations and blur, resulting in smoother and more watchable footage. This feature is especially valuable when reviewing recordings where fine details can make a significant difference. Wireless convenience is another major strength of the X5 Duo. Built-in 5G Wi-Fi enables faster file transfers compared to traditional wireless connections, making it easier to download videos directly to compatible mobile devices. This allows users to quickly review recordings, share important footage, or manage camera settings without removing the memory card or connecting cables. The improved transfer speed saves valuable time while enhancing the overall ownership experience. Voice control further increases driving safety by allowing many camera functions to be operated without taking hands off the steering wheel. Simple voice commands help users perform common tasks while keeping their attention focused on the road ahead. This hands-free functionality contributes to a more comfortable and less distracting driving experience, particularly during busy traffic conditions. Pros: dual recording, 5G Wi-Fi, voice control, GPS tracking. Cons: memory required, premium price. Number 3. WolfBox G900 Tripro Dashcam. Drivers who want complete visibility inside and outside their vehicle will find the WolfBox G900 Tripro Dashcam to be a remarkably capable recording system. Designed with 3-camera coverage, premium imaging technology, and intelligent driving features, this rear-view mirror dash camera offers comprehensive protection for everyday commuting, family travel, rideshare driving, and long-distance road trips. Every important moment can be captured with outstanding clarity while providing convenient operation through a modern and intuitive interface. At the heart of the G900 Tripro is its advanced triple-lens recording system. The front, rear, and cabin cameras work together to capture simultaneous footage, providing full coverage around the vehicle. Recording at an impressive 3840 by 2160 resolution with smooth 30 FPS performance, the system preserves fine details such as license plates, road markings, traffic signs, passenger activity, and surrounding vehicles. This 3-channel design offers valuable evidence during unexpected incidents, while giving drivers greater confidence on every journey. Image quality is further enhanced by the advanced Starvis 2 IMX678 image sensor. Paired with a bright f1.5 aperture, this premium sensor significantly improves low-light recording by capturing more light in challenging environments. Whether driving through poorly lit streets, underground parking areas, tunnels, or during nighttime travel, the camera produces brighter images with improved detail and reduced visual noise. This exceptional night performance makes the G900 Tripro especially valuable when visibility is at its lowest. The integrated 12-inch IPS display transforms the traditional rearview mirror into a large, vibrant monitoring screen. The generous display size offers a wide viewing angle that allows drivers to monitor recordings, review captured footage, and navigate settings with ease. The clear interface enhances overall usability while providing an improved rear-view experience compared to conventional mirrors, particularly when visibility behind the vehicle is limited. Convenience continues with intelligent voice control, allowing users to perform supported camera functions without taking their hands off the steering wheel. This hands-free operation helps minimize distractions while keeping attention focused on driving. Loop recording further improves reliability by automatically replacing the oldest unlocked recordings whenever storage becomes full, ensuring continuous recording without requiring manual file management. Pros: triple cameras, night vision, voice control, large display. Cons: mirror size, higher cost. Number 2. WolfBox M40 Dashcam. When advanced driving assistance meets ultra-clear recording quality, the result is a dash camera that offers far more than simple video capture. The WolfBox M40 Dashcam is designed to provide comprehensive front and rear monitoring while incorporating intelligent features that improve convenience, safety, and overall driving confidence. With high-resolution recording, voice control, built-in GPS, and fast wireless connectivity, this dual-camera system is well-suited for daily commuting, long-distance travel, rideshare driving, and vehicle security. The highlight of the M40 is its impressive dual-camera recording capability. The front camera captures stunning 4K footage, while the rear camera records in Full HD 180p, ensuring clear coverage of both directions around the vehicle. High-resolution video preserves essential details, such as license plates, traffic signs, lane markings, and surrounding vehicles, making recorded footage significantly more valuable if an accident or unexpected event occurs. The wide 170-degree viewing angle further increases coverage by reducing blind spots and capturing more of the road environment. Image quality remains strong even after sunset, thanks to the bright f1.5 aperture and dedicated night shot functionality. The large aperture allows more light to reach the camera sensor, resulting in brighter recordings with improved clarity during nighttime driving, tunnels, underground parking areas, and other challenging lighting conditions. Whether driving through busy city streets or dark highways, the camera maintains dependable recording performance throughout the journey. Smart functionality plays an important role in the overall driving experience. Built-in voice control enables hands-free operation, allowing drivers to activate supported functions without taking their attention away from the road. Integrated ADAS technology further enhances driving awareness by assisting with road monitoring, contributing to a safer and more confident driving experience. Combined with internal GPS logging, the dashcam also records valuable route and speed information alongside video footage for more complete trip documentation. Wireless convenience comes through integrated 5 GHz Wi-Fi, providing faster communication with compatible devices for reviewing videos, managing settings, and transferring recordings. This high-speed connection simplifies accessing important footage without removing the memory card, saving time whenever files need to be shared or archived. Pros: 4K recording, voice control, GPS tracking, night vision. Cons: memory separate. Number 1, and the winner is WolfBox G900 Pro Dashcam. Built to deliver premium recording quality while making everyday driving more secure, the WolfBox G900 Pro Dashcam combines cutting-edge imaging technology with intelligent features that enhance both convenience and peace of mind. Designed for drivers who want reliable front and rear coverage, this advanced dual camera system records every journey with exceptional detail, while offering modern connectivity, voice control, and an intuitive user experience. Whether commuting through heavy traffic, traveling long distances, or protecting a parked vehicle, the G900 Pro is equipped to capture important moments with impressive precision. Its standout feature is the dual-camera recording system that captures ultra-high-resolution 4K video from the front camera alongside sharp 2.5K footage from the rear camera. This combination provides comprehensive coverage around the vehicle while preserving fine details such as license plates, road signs, lane markings, and nearby traffic. The enhanced clarity becomes especially valuable when reviewing footage after unexpected incidents, helping provide reliable visual evidence whenever it is needed. Simultaneous front and rear recording also improves overall driving awareness by documenting activity from both directions throughout every trip. Image performance reaches another level with the advanced Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor paired with a bright f1.5 aperture. This premium imaging combination excels in challenging lighting conditions by capturing more light and reducing image noise during nighttime driving. Whether traveling through poorly lit streets, tunnels, underground parking garages, or rainy evening conditions, the camera produces brighter, sharper, and more detailed recordings that maintain excellent visibility after dark. Everyday operation is made significantly easier through intelligent voice control, allowing supported camera functions to be activated without removing hands from the steering wheel. This hands-free functionality helps reduce distractions while keeping full attention focused on driving. Built-in GPS further enhances each recording by automatically logging driving routes, speed information, and location data, creating a complete travel record that can prove valuable for personal documentation or insurance purposes. The integrated 12-inch IPS display provides a bright, responsive viewing experience with excellent color reproduction and wide viewing angles. Drivers can comfortably monitor live camera feeds, review recordings, and navigate settings directly from the large touchscreen. Complementing this experience is built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which enables fast wireless transfer of recorded videos to compatible mobile devices for quick playback, sharing, and management without removing the memory card. Pros: dual recording, Starvis sensor, voice control, fast Wi-Fi. Cons: wired setup. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.